everybody, Hayley here. I hope you're all okay. And today is Friday and it is the end of the Made to Surprise birthday celebration week. And what a way to finish off this fabulous week with the brand new collection release, which is the circular waterfold. Now, this collection is fabulous. I absolutely have loved playing with this one, and I'm going to show you a few of the samples that I've created for Sam. We're just going to walk through the products and what you get in this collection. So, the main mechanism, this is the 6x6 circular waterfold mechanism die set, and it creates this beautiful waterfall, like a circular waterfall. It's got all your mats and layers, different sets of mats and layers to put on here, so when you spin it round, it flips round like a waterfall mechanism. It's a really fun one. I've not seen many of these before in die form at all, so this is a really good one, and I'm really glad that I have this one in my stash. So this is the center of the collection, so let's move on. To go with this, we have 2 sets of stamp and die sets, and these are beautiful stamp and die sets. First of all, we have the Milestone Icons A5 stamp and die set, and we've got all the different celebrations that you might want to create with here. So we have this lovely pearl, the champagne bottle, the keys, the balloons, the diamond or the gem, presents, some more keys, more balloons, and lots of sentiments too. This is a really fun one. You could make pearl anniversary card, you could do diamond anniversary card, you could put a cut above the rest with the diamond there, or a gem. You hold the key to my heart with the different keys. Perfect for a 21st birthday celebration, along with the champagne bottle and glass there also. And you've got your standard presents and balloons for birthdays too. So really great set, this one. That's the Milestone Icons. Now this one has to be one of my favourite stamp and die sets from Made to Surprise. I absolutely love the kind of elements that hint towards the postage theme. I really want Sam to bring out a full collection of postage. I just think that'd be fabulous. But what we have here, we have the camera, which is great. This is all about travelling. We have the suitcase luggage tag, the aeroplane, the mobile phone, the stamp. We have a letter. We have these text boxes here where you can stamp your text inside those boxes. We've got the postcard, the stamp, the letter. I really want Sam to do a full collection. I thought this one was just great, and I've really enjoyed creating with it. The next one, again, is just another such a handy one to have in your stash. We have the big numbers A5 stamp and die set. We've got all your numbers from 1 to 9 and obviously your 0. And then we've got all these words that are stamps as well. We have celebrate, congrats, birthday, anniversary, wedding, and then we have China, diamond, on, your, happy, paper, new, silver, day, pearl, congratulations, wood, gold, ruby, to you, and both. You could mix and match and create your own sentiment or statements on your card with this collection. I think it's just, it's perfect. It's great for anniversaries, as you could do paper. Is paper your first anniversary? I'm not overly familiar. Maybe you can help me out and let me know. But yeah, it refers to the year of your anniversary and all the different ones there. Such a great handy set to have. So that's that stamp and die set. Then we move on to the Making Memories project pack. And again, this is another it's just a fabulous one to have in your collection. We have here, it's the same stamps as we get in our set, but this is an ephemera sheet which you just pop out. So these are already pre-die cut with the black and the white sentiments there, and we also have these big words too. So we have big, happy, enjoy, love, celebrate, cheers and hooray. And we get 2 of those sheets in this set. Then we move on to the beautiful paper, and this covers a lot of occasions. So we have this beautiful parcels and balloons and sort of confetti and banners going on here, and it's really beautiful, like a soft pastel springtime coming into summer theme here. I really like that one. Again, we have this confetti, this pink background with all the different coloured confetti. This one has got to be my favourite. This is the travel one, and it's got all the stamped postage stamps of all the different countries. Thailand, Venice, Germany, Egypt, United Kingdom, Turkey. I really love this one. I think it's such a fun one to create with. And then we have pink background with the red hearts, and that's a really lovely one. Again, it could be for a birthday, it could be an anniversary. Great one to create with. And the last one that we get is this. It's not quite teal, but it's kind of bluey green colour with the birthday cakes, the presents, the balloons, and another really lovely soft pastel shade. So those are the papers that you will get, and you will get 4 of each of those designs. Then you will get 2 of these ephemera sheets, the cutout pieces, and you also get a wonderful pack of ephemera. Now, I'll be honest, I've used lots of mine in the samples already. So you do get a really huge pack, and there's lots in there to be. I've made 7 samples and I still have a lot left. This will last you a long time, and it's a really great one for anybody who's maybe not overly confident with colouring, or they prefer to have the image already ready to go. This is the pack for you. I would be grabbing a couple of these. I'm going to grab a couple more myself because I've really enjoyed creating with these images and just being able to make quick cards and not have to worry about stamping and die cutting, colouring and all that. This is a really brilliant pack, and that all comes together in your Making Memories project pack. What can you create with this collection? These are some of the samples that I've made for Sam, and you may have already seen these already this morning on Sam's channel. If you caught her live this morning releasing a brand new collection, you may have already seen them. So this is the waterfold mechanism. If you just twist this round, this mechanism flips round like so, and back again. And it's just a really fun one, and you could do this. You could put your own pictures in these sections. You could use the ephemera on these parts as well. You can use whatever other stamp and die sets you have at home in your stash. I think it'd be a great one for pictures on a big birthday or a big celebration card. So this is where I went down the theme of postage, and again I would just love to see this as a full collection. Okay, so that's one of the samples that I've created. The next one is very much the same, just a completely different colour scheme. I think that is a really great way of showing how versatile this collection is, because these two are very, very different, but using exactly the same products from exactly the same collection. I've made it a little bit blingy and sparkly there with a holographic card, and again it's the same principle. We just twist this round and those images all flap round like so. So they're just really fun cards. The next one I've created, I wanted to try and do something a little bit different, and I actually just liked the way that this mechanism moved on its own. So I thought, well, do we need to add you know, the sections on it. What about just using the actual mechanism by itself? And this is what I came up with. So this does the same thing there. We flip it all the way around and back again, and I have just used some of my stash, Made to Surprise stash. These are the crocus stamp. Done them in a totally different colour to give them a different look. I wouldn't notice them or think of these as crocuses if I just look at it. I just think they're a lovely blue flower. Don't ask me what kind, but yeah, I thought this one was a really lovely one, and I've just done some heat embossing in the background with a stamp also, just to tie it all in. And I just thought this one was a little bit different. The next one, I have made this circular easel card, and I've loved using all the ephemera on the front there to create the stand for this to sit up. And I've used instead of the square, I've used this kind of half oval, maybe. I'm not quite sure what that shape is. Yep. And then again, when we twist this round, this all flips round. And I have used the exact same stamp and die set in this card and this one, and look at the difference. Changing the colours and you get such a variety of occasions to be able to work with. And I thought this one would be a great one for anybody who might be going off travelling or going to maybe work in another country or something like that. They're just going on the most fantastic holiday, maybe a retirement, and they're getting away for a little bit. This is a perfect one, a travel theme. So I really love that one. Then the next couple that I have, these aren't using the mechanism, they're just using the collection. So I've made this really fun fold card, and it all folds down. You could put this in a DL envelope and then it all stands up, and I think it's a flag card. I'm not actually quite sure. But we have this corsetina fold here, and then I've just popped these sections on here and filled it with the ephemera from the collect and some of those beautiful papers. And this is a really bright summery card. I really like this one. So that's that one. Then the next two, they are the same, but again, done very differently. So I have made a shadow box, and this one I've done for a diamond wedding anniversary. And this is beautiful heat embossed cardstock in the background, using that beautiful ephemera with the diamond there. I've heat embossed the sentiment, and I've also cut out some of the stamp from the stamp set, Daddy's and Pearls, and that's a really beautiful, timeless card to be able to give for somebody's diamond wedding anniversary. It's special without being too in your face, if that makes sense. And then I've done the exact same thing. I've made the exact same shadow box, but this is just done completely differently. Now this one is really fun. It's that holographic, it's for a 30th birthday, it's time to break out the bubbly and celebrate, all the presents, all the drinks and the cocktails and everything. And it's just a really pretty, fun card for a 30th birthday. And those are all the samples that I've created with this collection. The collection is extremely versatile, and I'm sure you might already be aware, but if you're not, there's a fantastic price, a special deal on this bundle to celebrate the end of Made to Surprise 6th birthday. So I will leave a link in the description to Craft World where you can head on over and purchase this collection for yourself. I've created 7 samples here. And what I was thinking, I would like to know from you, what would you like to see me recreate? Which cards would you like me to recreate and pop into some videos on my channel? Let me know in the comments what you think and what you would like to see, and I will get those videos up within the next month for you once you get your collection home. Or you could even use what stash you have at home and still follow along with the tutorial. And yeah, I'd love to be able to know what what samples you would like me to create. If you do create any of the samples, I do have a Facebook group now, and that's Hayleys Cards Creative Corner, and I will leave a link in the description that will take you straight over to the Facebook group. It's a lovely little group. I'm just getting started with it. So there's lots of inspiration over there already. I will be posting all my samples from this collection over in the group, and there's lots of people posting their makes of things that they've made from my tutorials, and I'd love you to do the same. If you recreate anything using any of my tutorials, I would love you to pop it in the Facebook group and share it with everybody. I love to see them. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you did enjoy it, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I do upload a video. Later on today, I do have my Fun for Friday card that will be going live also, so do check back and look out for that one. I hope you enjoyed this fabulous new collection from Made to Surprise, and I have been told that the celebrations do not quite end today. I think throughout May, keep your eyes peeled because I do think there's some more things going on. It's a celebratory month, let's say that. Okay, thank you all for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.